How did a group of emus manage to win a war against the strongest soldiers from World War I? It all started when a group of Australian soldiers were given farmland as a reward from the war. Not knowing that over 20,000 emus were lurking in the forest, searching for food just to survive, eating their crops, and causing the soldiers to bring out their weapons, marking the start of the Great Emu War. But even when they set up machine guns and opened fire on the birds, the emus would scatter around their fields, dodging bullets and stealing food as they fled the scene. Where even if soldiers tried ambushing emus in the forest, they would eat multiple bullet shots and manage to make it out alive. And out of the 20,000 emus in the area, the soldiers were only able to wipe out a few hundred birds.